Hello students, today we are going to start second chapter, The Adventures of Toto, from the book Movements. This is a humorous and interesting story written by Ruskin Bond, a celebrated Indian storyteller. He lives in Missouri. It means he is still alive. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Padma Bhushan Award in 2014. The title of this story, The Adventures of Toto, is showing this story is about a naughty and mischievous monkey named Toto. It means, who is Toto here? Little monkey. अब इस स्टोरी में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? राइटर्स ग्रैंडफादर was fond of keeping pet and had a little Jew at home. So one day grandfather bought a monkey to keep him in his Jew at home. अब ग्रैंडफादर घर पर तो ले आए हैं टोटो को, पर वो घर में अब क्या क्या तूफान मचाता है, क्या क्या कारनामे करता है, we will read in this story. So let's read the story to find out his adventures. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. It means grandfather purchased a small monkey from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Feeding trough means here a large container of feeding animals. The Tonga driver had tied the little red monkey to a feeding trough. Why? Because he could not run away. क्योंकि वह एक naughty monkey था और किसी भी समय भाग सकता था. The monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. ग्रैंडफादर को लगा कि ये लिटिल मंकी यहाँ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसे तो मेरे प्राइवेट जू में होना चाहिए. सो ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड टू टेक हिम एट होम. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Anglo-Indian means a person relating to both Britain and India. In this stanza, writer is giving us a description of Toto कि वो कैसा था. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled. His bright eyes sparkled means he had shining eyes which were full of mischief. Beneath deep set eyebrows. It means the eyebrows were deeply set on his face. कि उसकी eyes अंदर की तरफ धसी हुई थी, जैसे कि monkeys की होती हैं, आप सभी ने देखा ही होगा. His teeth, which were pearly white, his teeth were like pearls, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. It means when he shoved his teeth, many ladies belonging to the Anglo-Indian community got scared. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. It means the writer is doing comparison Toto's hand with dry pickle. कि जैसे कि pickle को धूप में सुखाया जाता है, उसी तरह से Toto's hand were dry and wrinkled as if they had been dried in the sun. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. इट मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा मिस्चीवियस होने के कारण वह कभी भी कोई भी शरारत कर बैठता था. सो द राइटर इज कॉलिंग हिज फिंगर वेरी क्विक एंड हिज टेल while adding to his good looks. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. It means he had a long tail, and writer is telling us Toto is good looking with his tail and also served as a third hand. Toto's tail was like a third hand for him. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up. Scooping up means lifting any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. It means जो टोटो की जो टेल थी, टोटो's tail helped Toto hang from a branch of the trees, and he also used his tail to lift objects which were beyond his hands' reach. Clear? Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animals. First means got angry. It means grandmother got angry when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. It means the grandmother did not like the grandfather's pet animals. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particular good mood. So the coming to Toto was kept a secret from her for some time. He thought that when she was in a good mood, he would tell her about Toto. क्योंकि इसकी ग्रैंडमदर पसंद नहीं करती थी, तो उसे क्या रखते हैं, एक सीक्रेट रखते हैं. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. It means grandfather and I here refers to writer, कि अब राइटर और ग्रैंडफादर ने मिलकर टोटो को कहाँ छुपाया? In a little closet. Closet means cupboard. He was kept in a little cupboard which opened into the narrator's bedroom. And he was tied to a peg on the wall. Peg means here hook, खुट्टी जिसे हम कहते हैं, कि उसे टाइट कर दिया, बांध दिया गया पैग के साथ, ताकि वो इधर उधर ना भाग सके. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto. अब यहाँ से शुरू हो जाती है टोटो की शरारतें. It means अब टोटो ग्रैंडफादर के घर पर क्या क्या शरारतें करता है कि एट लास्ट ग्रैंडफादर उसे वापस छोड़कर आने के लिए मजबूर हो जाते हैं. Toto's first mischief. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto. It means a few hours later, they went to release Toto. We found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental papers chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. So when they went to release Toto, what did they see there? They saw a shocking scene. Ornamental paper means here decorative paper that is used to decorate the wall. It means Toto had torn the decorative wallpaper. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. Wrench means broke and socket means attach, जिसे कि खुटी को attach किया जाता है. He had broken the hook and had escaped from his binding. My school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. Shreds means cut into thin slices. Also, he tore the writer's blazer into thin pieces. I wondered what grandmother would say. But grandfather did not worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. But here one thing is interesting. Grandfather did not get angry. He showed satisfaction that the pet monkey was quite smart. He is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. Grandfather is saying here, Toto was very clever. वह कहते हैं यदि टोटो को टाइम दिया जाता तो वो टॉर्न पीसेस की रॉप बनाकर विंडो से भाग जाता. His presence in the house still a secret, Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Sociably means friendly manner में. Toto was shifted to the servant quarter, when other pet animals lived in a friendly manner. Who were other pet animals? a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and pet goat. But the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. It means Toto was put in a cage. Why? Because he was very naughty and he did not let the other animals sleep at night. दूसरे एनिमल्स को रात को सोने नहीं देता था. So, grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Next day, grandfather was going to Saharanpur from Dehradun to collect his pension. But grandfather Toto को यहाँ नहीं छोड़ सकते थे. वो दूसरे पेट्स को डिस्टर्ब करता था. So, he decided to take him along. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. The writer was sad because he could not go with his grandfather and Toto on the trip. But he told me about it afterwards. ट्रिप से वापस आने पर ग्रैंडफादर सारी हैपनिंग राइटर को बताते हैं. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. Here, the writer is telling us how did grandfather take Toto Saharanpur. He had got a special canvas bag for Toto. This, with some straw at the bottom, became his new abode. It means he placed some dry grass at the bottom of the bag and this bag became his new home. It means on the trip he was kept in a bag. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. It means when the bag was closed, he was not able to come out of the bag because the bag was made of a strong canvas. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. It means, but Toto tried to come out of the bag, but he could not success. Due to this activity, many times the bag would roll on the floor or sometime jump into the air. It means जैसे से बैग के अंदर टोटो मूवमेंट कर रहा था उसके कारण बैग कभी तो फ्लोर पर रोल करता है तो कभी एयर में जंप करता दिखाई देता है. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. These movements were noticed by the people on the railway platform and made them curious. It means they wanted to know what was inside the bag. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile means here a mechanical gate. You can see in this image. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. At the railway station, the writer's grandfather was taking out his ticket to cross the turnstile. Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag. Poked his head means came his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Grin means a smile. It means Toto smiled at the ticket collector. The poor man was taken aback. Taken aback means surprised. It means the ticket collector was surprised to see a monkey in grandfather's bag, but with a great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance. Annoyance means to anger someone. But he showed presence of his mind and asked grandfather. Now, what is he asking here? Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Quadruped means an animal which has 4 feet. In vain means success na hona, not success, unsuccessful. It means grandfather was not successful in explaining to the ticket collector that Toto was a monkey, not a dog. Toto was not even an animal with 4 feet. But ticket collector was not convinced. He called Toto a dog. So grandfather had to pay 3 rupees for Toto's ticket. Then grandfather, just to get his own back. To get his own back means to take revenge. अब ग्रैंडफादर बहुत गुस्से में थे क्योंकि टिकट कलेक्टर ने टोटो की टिकट के पैसे ले लिए थे. Took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" It means, so in order to take revenge, he took out a pet tortoise from his pocket and said, तुम सभी एनिमल्स का चार्ज ले रहे हो तो इसका भी ले लो. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefingers. Prodded means pushed. Ticket collector took a close look at the tortoise, pushed it slightly with his forefingers and announced, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphed look and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." It means ticket collector announced that there would be no ticket for it. It was not a dog. I hope you are getting well. Thank you.